All right, guys, this is the final episode on how to get free Bitcoin because we have now reached the minimum goal of receiving $1,000 for free in Bitcoin. And we've been able to do so within less than 4 months, guys. So this video right here is going to talk about it, demonstrate to you guys, and give you an overview on how this was achieved, and we will direct you to the video series so that if you want to do something like this yourself, the documentation is there for you. So let's get into it. What's up, guys? We have reached our goal of getting $1,000 in free Bitcoin, and we've been able to do so within about 3 months' time. So, you guys know that I created a series on this, giving a step-by-step guide on how I started the process of using absolutely zero amount of my own money. And here we are today, maybe 3.5 months later, and I now have an additional $1,000 in Bitcoin that I did not pay for. And in this video, I am going to show you guys the initial process, or letting you guys know that back 3 months ago, I said this is the minimum that we're going to be able to walk away with. And also direct you guys to the video series so that you can kind of juggle some ideas and participate in this as well if you want to. So if you come out to my channel, the Mystify channel, and do a search on free Bitcoin series or something like that. Okay, it's going to pull up this video series here, guys. Everywhere you see free Bitcoin series, you'll see these episodes here, or you can just go to this playlist right here. So if I come out to this playlist, and I think it's
Are
in
you
this second
interested in
video
a sound?
here, where I
All right,
actually
guys.
I mentioned this 3 months ago, guys, and I think it's at point 15. Check this out.
And we are going to walk away 9 times out of 10 with at least $1,000 in free Bitcoin from this effort. So,
All right, so free Bitcoin, guys, and here we are 3.5 months later, and we now have $1,000 in free Bitcoin. And like I say, this video series right here breaks it down step by step how I was able to achieve this. So if that's something you're interested in, do check out this video series. But let me show you guys today our positions. So I started with $5,000, and as of today, what we have sitting on Coinbase is $5,700. And of course, guys, this is due to Bitcoin's price appreciation, which I was mentioning to you guys in this video series. So Bitcoin, regardless of what the price is, it's always a good idea to buy Bitcoin and be willing to hold it for the long term because it's going to pay off for you. Okay. So also through the you might be looking at this, well, that's just $700 above 5,000. Well, look at the video series and you'll know that I did transfer $250 out of Coinbase into a Bitcoin wallet that allows me to even grow my Bitcoin beyond that. So I did it in this drip to BTC account here, and that's all documented in the series. And I made that deposit on April the 12th. Now, at the time, that was about $250 worth. Today is worth $282, just that amount that I sent. But because I'm using the wallet to grow my Bitcoin, my position right now is more like what, $320, over $320 in this wallet. So not only am I using the price appreciation of Bitcoin, I'm also benefiting from the accumulation of more Bitcoin. And this is a wallet, guys, that I really didn't have to do anything with. I came out, put some Bitcoin out here, purchase credits with it, and allow these credits to convert over time. Okay. So at that point, if you add this $300 plus this $5,700 here, we are now at above $6,000. Now, here is what I've been doing. When I took out that loan, it was essentially I essentially paid a 5,000, took out a $5,000 loan. I did cover the cost of that 200 fee from another credit card, so my net investment in this is $0, guys. I have not spent a penny to get this $1,000. Okay, but over the course of the past months, I have been taking my worthless US dollars and making monthly payments so that I will completely pay off this loan by the time the 0% interest kicks in, or ends rather. So at this stage, guys, I can take out, because I only owe 4,300 left on this because of the payments I've been making. I can take out 4,300 from here, and I'm still left with my $1,000 in Bitcoin. Okay. Now, with that, I'll also share. We have recently released a new white label, which is sovereignbitforge.com. Okay, you guys come out here, particularly for you guys that do enjoy having multiple wallets and you want to use the same email address. You can use the same email address on high yield BTC, drip to BTC, and sovereign Bitforge, sovereign Bitforge. My bad. And just to verify, as with always, you can go down, check out this authenticate link at the bottom, because this will always ensure and give verification to you that the site is legit. So if you come out here, always make sure it's on the digitalcryptosolutions.com site. And if you put a URL in, it will verify that this is in fact a wallet that is running our Bitcoin software. All right, guys, I think that's all I have for you in this video. And I think this will complete the series on how to earn free Bitcoin. I will continue to play with this. I'm not done with it, but since I have $1,000 in free Bitcoin, I will be continuing the ride upward throughout the coming months of this year, and just continue to stack sats, guys. All right, that's all I got for you in this video, and we'll holler on the next one. Peace out.